Taking notes and journaling your actions is one of the most important things you can do when you manage a file. When you're performing the same actions across a dozen different files, you need to be able to remember the specifics of each conversation and agreement. Not only does this give you clarity when you review a file later, it can prove invaluable if a legal question ever arises. That's why Traicee gives you journal notes, an ideal way to track and categorize everything you do as you work on a file. I hope you'll make it a habit to add a journal note every time you take an action on a file. And Traicee makes that easy. Let me show you. Anytime Traicee makes a change in your file, she automatically generates a journal note for you, marking a task complete, sending an email, or adjusting a deadline date. All of those and more. They show up automatically here in the Journal Notes section. But of course, much of your work happens outside of the system. For those actions, you can add journal notes manually. Just click here to add a note. Write it out as completely as you can, and when you're done, click Next. The next screen shows a list of categories that your note can fall under. Pick at least one, but you can pick several. It's how you'll find this note later. Then click Submit. When the page refreshes, you'll see your note added to the list. The first thing each line shows is who added the note. Remember, in Traicee, you can create participant portals where contributors can add notes of their own. And when they do, their labeled notes show up right here too. Next to that, you'll see the category badge for the note. Hover over each line to open it, or click the chevron on the side to expand it permanently. At the top of the tile, you'll see every category badge you've used. Click on any one to filter the notes by that category. This makes it much easier to find a particular note, say about a specific task or a phone call that you've made. Your journal notes also appear in the summary page. Each note is complete with the time and date stamp, and who added the note. Journal notes are an essential way to stay organized and protected as you manage what is, after all, a sensitive legal process.